back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. Nice and easy today, chicken mayo. Absolutely delicious. It's not going to take long, let's go and do it. Okay, nice and easy this one. So we've got some chicken here. I've got chicken breast that's cooked. Now if you want you can boil it, boil it in some water to cook it, or you can gently fry it. But you need chicken breast, it's cold. I've chopped it up nice and small. I've got some mayonnaise there and I've got some parsley. What we're going to do is mix that together. Okay, just in a slightly larger bowl. A little bit of parsley in there. We're going to hit this now with some black pepper. Now if you wanted some chopped onion, could go in here. Some Parmesan cheese. Some sweet corn. I'm keeping it just nice and easy like this. I'm not putting any salt in because I find the mayo to be salty enough, but you sure can add it if you want. That's it, we're going to give that a little mix, then I'll be back. Okay, so I've got some nice white sliced bread here. You can be using any bread that you want. We're going to grab some of our chicken mayo, nice and thick. Spread it out there a little bit. Let me just put my arm across there. I've now got some really lovely mozzarella cheese. Now this mozzarella cheese is the stuff that comes in a bag in water, not the kind of hard cubed or grated kind of pizza-y stuff. This is really lovely for salads. On that goes. I'm going to go another little bit of pepper. I've got some sliced tomatoes. And now I'm going to put a little bit of salt, tiny little amount of salt onto the tomatoes. Also going to give it a little bit of a drizzle of olive oil. Nothing too crazy. We're then going to grab some mixed leaves. I like to use these kind of mixed stuff you can get in a store. Oak leaf, frisee. But yeah, you can put any sort of type of lettuce on that you want. And there you go. I'm going to go straight on. Now if you wanted, you could put some butter on that or some mayo. I just like to go straight on there like that. We're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?